So, yes, I know that the real estate market has been kind of unpredictable lately.
With taxes what they are, right?
Everyone out! Everyone out! Come on, let's go, people!
Sit rep, Martinez.
Sir, looks pretty bad. We've got a time-sensitive explosion on our hand.
Estimated time until detonation?
She could blow at any moment, sir.
I can't ask you to go in there, Miller.
Sir, we're wasting time.
Got you on camera, Miller, looking good.
Copy that. We've got contact. One civilian.
He's gotta find the trigger and disarm it.
Miller, I don't like it. Get out of there!
Just 1 minute, Captain.
Oh god, please. I don't want to die like this.
Miller, what's going on in there?
Oh god, this can't happen. I have a wife.
Whoa. Looks like I found the trigger, Martinez. Another one of those plug-in air fresheners.
Make it quick, Miller.
Miller, get out!
Red or black?
Come on, Miller.
Miller, get out! That's an order!
Oh god.
Black.